Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to crochet a very simple scarf tutorial. So as you can see here, I have one that I've not finished, so let's get started. I'm going to chain 4 and right over here to make my slip knot. 1, 2 and 3, then yarn over and come here over here and make 3 double crochet, 1, so you're going to count this chain here and 2 double crochet making 3, so chain 1 and again 3 double crochet, chain 1 here, and we have over here 3 double crochet space, 3 double crochet space, 3 double crochet, turn around our work, and then we're going to come right here, make slip knot, chain 3, 6 double crochet, and chain 2, into chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, into our, and we're going to come right here, leaving those 3 double crochet, going to make again 6 double crochet with space of chain 2, right, 1, 2 and 3 double crochet, like so. Then we're going to turn around our work and we're going to come right there and make a slip knot that way, right over there, chain 3. Going to make 6 double crochet including the chain, then chain 2, 1, 2, again 3 double crochet, then chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we're going to come right here, pull through, make a slip knot right there, and pull your yarn. Then again chain 5, and yarn over to make 6 double crochet, chain 2, see, so turn around your work, to insert a hook there, like a slip knot, again insert a hook here, slip knot, slip knot, then chain 3, 1, 2, 3, chain 2, six double crochet including chain of 2 space, then chain 5 again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that way. Then we're going to come right there and pull through to make a slip knot, then chain 5 again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and come right here, pull through again, and pull a yarn, then chain 5 again, yarn over, 6 double crochet including space of 2, chain 2, then turn our work. So to hook here and slip knot there, slip knot right over there, then slip knot again in the space, slip knot, chain 3, 6 double crochet, it's chain of 2 to make a space, 1, 2, then chain 5 again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and come right over here, I'm going to make a slip knot and pull through your yarn, then chain 5 again, come over right over here, pull through, then put through your yarn, chain 5 again, come right here, that way, pull through your yarn, chain 5 again, come into the space here, 6 double crochet, then chain 2 to make a space, 1, 2, so you can see this is how it's going to come out finally. So I've chained 4 and then made a slip knot, and then I made 3 double crochet with 1 space in between, and I turn around my work and I made slip knot in this chain over here, this chain here, and I made 3 double crochet including the chain of 3, yeah. And then chain 2, 3 double crochet, chain 5, and then again 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet, turn around your work. Going to make slip knot in this of the chain and come here chain of three double crochet in between with the space, then chain 5, come here, slip knot, chain 5, and then continue over here, 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet, chain 5, and continue that way. So this is how it's going to look like. I hope you like. As you can see, it's the same design I've made over here. It's just this one is a light pink and this is a dark pink. So I hope you like my video. Till next time, bye bye.